Based on the process of literature review, they can be divided into two processes, such that this first process is research for material and resources, and the second process is writing literature review. In the first process, topics which includes what to review and purpose of review. What to review and the purpose of review. Second one is literature search procedure. Third one is planning of research work. These all which comes under the first process topics, and in second process topics which includes note taking. Sources of literature. Sources of literature can be further divided into primary literature sources, secondary literature sources and tertiary literature sources. And these categories of literature sources which represents the flow of information from the original source. That means the flow of information from primary to secondary, secondary to tertiary, like that. So, primary literature sources. Primary literature sources are the first occurrence of a piece of work. That means the first occurrence of a piece of work. First piece of work. That is primary literature sources, which includes reports, conference proceedings, theses and all. Secondary literature sources which refers to secondary literature sources. Secondary literature sources, for example, such as books and journals, and these are the subsequent publication of primary literature. And these are aimed for wider audience. For example, journals, books, newspapers. And the third one is tertiary literature sources. And these tertiary literature sources also called search tools. They are designed either to help to locate primary and secondary literature or to introduce a topic. They are referred to as search tools, and they are help to locate primary and secondary literature sources or to introduce a topic, which includes indexes, abstracts, as well as encyclopedias and bibliographies. Libraries. Libraries should be your first choice for seeking information, where we can find a huge amount of information there. For example, specializing libraries on special subjects, which can be on university departments, professional libraries, etc. There are also local libraries where having special collections of local interest. Sometimes they cannot be getting latest publications. For example, historical studies. The information which is fast moving subjects such as science, business, technology, and also they are all rapidly moving subjects, such that information also changes. For some older publications on humanities and all, it will still have value. Literature in this context consists of books, journals, reports, research, dissertations, etc. And these contests of literature are for what purpose? For information seeking. Then come to the point types of literature review. On the purpose of research, there are three main types of literature review. They are evaluative review, exploratory review, and instrumental review. Each of these reviews are explained. First one is evaluate. Coming to the explanation of literature reviews, first one is evaluative review. Evaluative review which focuses on the contribution to the knowledge in a particular area. For example, if in our hand there is a research findings of a project, and this research findings of the project is compared with other person's findings which is directly available, and this comparison is called evaluative review. Second one is exploratory review. Exploratory review which works on the basis of theory, empirical evidence and research methods, and this empirical evidence and research methods for finding what that specific topic consists of, and also used to sharpen focus and identify research questions which remain unanswered in that specific topic. The third one is instrumental review. Instrumental review refers to find out how to conduct some research on highly specific research problem, where the research without incurring unnecessary and unavoidable cost.